everyone, today in the channel let's discuss how to install or replace the batteries for the Mark 7 diecast version. For all of you guys subscribed to the channel, a warm welcome back, and to everyone who's visiting for the first time, thank you so much for checking out the channel. My name is Paul. First is to remove the head plate and then the top part of the head. They are connected via magnets, so it's fairly easy to remove. Using a screwdriver, you can remove the screws and the top battery cover on his head and start installing the batteries. The batteries used here is the AG1 or the LR621. Now when installing the batteries, I usually use tweezers. I borrow from my wife. You can borrow from your sister, your wife, or your mother. It's easier to use them. This is just to have a good grip on the battery, especially the last ones being installed. Also, be sure to check out where the polarities are in the magnets. The flat parts are usually the ones rub against the springs. Then return the head battery cover and tighten up the screws. Do not tighten the screws too much as it could lead to the threads to be loose. Tighten the screws just enough that it will not fall, and that would be enough. Now for the arms, I use a wedge or the plastic tool that comes with the figures. Don't use any metal tools as this could damage your figure. I simply insert the tool to the small opening under the biceps and twist the tool to have the battery cover pop out. Then, using the screwdriver, remove the battery covers and install the batteries. For the arms, the battery used are the AG0s or the L521F. Always test your figure's battery terminals. Sometimes they are defective and you should return them. Or not, maybe if you don't think it's a big deal, but it is for me though. Now for the main arc reactor, first we need to remove the shoulder pads. Then using the plastic wedge from the Hot Toys, I insert it in the top part of the back. Twist it gently, just enough to get an opening, and gently pull the back cover out. After that, you can now remove the battery covers and install your batteries. The batteries for the main body is the AG1 or the LR621. After installing the batteries, just return the battery cover at the back and you're good to go. Alright, testing the lights here. Alright, so for the pod mode, you need to remove the bottom part of the pod chest plate, then remove the main chest plate. Under the pod, you'll see the battery cover and just unscrew that to install your batteries. Hey, if you are still watching this part of the video, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up and comment on the video. Let me know what you think about the complexities of Hot Toys batteries, especially for the Iron Man suits. I know it's a pain. While at it, subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. I also post unboxing and review of statues and action figures like Hot Toys, Iron Studios, and NECAs. Alright, so there you have it. Thank you so much for dropping by and see you in the next video.